the graph is doing exactly what I said in the previous live streams. I mapped it out for you guys. Should you expect from the graph? It is breaking out and it's looking mighty bullish, but we're going to get into that in this video. And we have to check out that monthly Bitcoin candle. Is February going to be a bullish or a bearish month? All that and more in this video. But make sure you subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So diving right into some graph news before we get into the charts. We got the graph on the tweeters. It says we're evaluating additional layer 1 blockchains to integrate with the graph. Which are you most excited about? Go vote now. Click the link right there. And the ones that are available is Bitcoin, Polkadot, Near, Cosmos, Solana, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, and Celo. Which one are you voting for? Let me know down in the comments below. So now on to what you've all been waiting for, the graph chart. As we can see in previous videos and live streams, I said, hey, we have that higher high, made a higher low, made a lower high, which is bearish. Then we've still made a higher low though, which is good. I said in order for this thing to break out, we need to get past, above the the 61 cent region. And then only if it was $61, that'd be great. But then I wanted to see us hit major resistance at 74 cents. So what do I expect to happen next? Well, I expect us to make a higher low. So honestly, something like in this range, something probably falling down to 61 cents, probably with a wick a little bit lower, possibly down to like 58, maybe as low as 55. That's what I'm expecting. So something like in this range. It's all about probabilities, and this has the highest probability of playing out right now. So let's just scoot over more. And then, so the crypto company says we're going to fall back down, make a higher low, which is very bullish. So that's a great buying opportunity. And then, so what happens after that? Like, what's going to happen after we make that higher low? Well, the bullish trend we're in, we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So what I expect to happen next, we got to actually move this down a little bit. I expect us, once we make this higher low, us to break out and come up, up to like $1 or $2, like $1, $1.10, somewhere in this region. It's going to be price discovery, because guess what? We're going to be making, what is it? All-time high after all-time high after all-time high. So that's just amazing. We saw what happens with Uniswap. Uniswap is at $19 right now. I told you guys on this channel back when it was at $7, all the way down here. I said once we break the $7 region, we're gonna go parabolic. It's gonna be all-time high after all-time high after all-time high. And look what happened. It's just going nuts. But so back to the graph, that's what I expect to happen. Expect a little bit of a pullback. It may take a couple of days, because look, you had the high here. It took about 5 days to make the higher low. Then we popped up too quick and then to come back down. So keep in mind, it could happen over the next week or two. Maybe the third week in February could be super duper bullish. But timing's not everything. If we all knew how to time the market, then we'd all be rich, right? So this is just what I see to play out over the next over February. But Bitcoin is going to play a major role in all the altcoins. So there's something on the chart we got to pay attention to. With the good old Bitcoin. So going over to the Bitcoin chart, we got to go to the monthly. We'll show you the bearish. We'll show you the bullish, because we got to look at both sides. Just stay level-headed. I keep forgetting I moved the scale over here. If you guys like the price chart here, just let me know, because I feel like you guys can see it better. So right now, this is looking fine. If we see Bitcoin, and let me draw you guys a line. If we see Bitcoin close, like especially right here, like right down there, around it's like $28,900, $29,100 in that range. That will create such a bearish candle that things will look bad forever. And you want to know why? And I'll show you what candle that is. On the weekly, back in June 2019, we had this bad boy right here. Let me just make it nice. This guy right here. Ooh, we do not want that guy. This one right is called a gravestone doji. It is not good. If we get that kind of candle for this month, months to come, we're going to be in the bear mode. No bulls allowed. So hopefully we do not have that. But right now, it is definitely looking mighty fine. Let's go back and just look at it to make sure we're good. Yeah, right now it's looking good. Hopefully we keep what we have right here. This is definitely looking mighty fine, because it also could end up being a shooting star, which we can get into if that actually plays out. Right now it's not a shooting star, so this is looking mighty fine. I'm glad to see it like it looked like this. And the bearish view on this though, because we did break out of that bull flag. So over on this chart, I have the bull flag on the daily. Silly me on the monthly. Look, we broke out from the bull flag. I know the lines aren't exactly straight, but still we broke out from this, okay? And the projected target, look at that right here. Projected target is about $55,000 to $56,000 for Bitcoin. Let that sink in. $55,000 to $56,000 for Bitcoin. That's the projected target. And we did close above the bull flag, so that is super bearish. Even if you move the line a little bit up here, you might say it's not parallel. We're still above it though. We still closed above it. We have confirmation of the breakout. Does this mean we're gonna guarantee to hit 55,000? No, it's just a high probability of ending up hitting that $55,000 mark. That's just insane. So basically, like we're talking a massive move from like 50 to 60K. If you're excited about that, I know I am, because what does that mean for the alt market? I mean, going back to the graph, I mean, like I said, give it some time for the graph to play out. It's going to probably come down, like I said, bottom, possibly a wick down to 56, maybe a wick down to 52, but the body will stay most likely a little bit higher, depending on how the market reacts. Like if Bitcoin has a gravestone doji on the monthly, I mean, I think things are going to be bad. And that's just based off the chart. Like I make my opinion based off what I see on the chart. So it's going to change based off how the chart changes. Just to be clear on that. But we'll see this play out. It's gonna be super exciting to see it break 74 cents, because I know a lot of you out there, you guys bought in pretty high. I know a lot of you out there that bought pretty low when I said to buy pretty low. So if you want to know how to do that again, definitely stay to the end of the video. I'll show you my thing that's going on. So you see this, just the way it's playing out, this is just super superb. Like, this is just amazing. I'm excited to see this play this bounce up, break through $1. You guys have all been waiting for $1. We all wanted that dollar back in December. Did not happen because everybody said it was going to happen. So that's just kind of how it works. So just hang in there and we shall see how it goes. But if you did miss this pump here, that literally went, let me do a measured mood for all the homies out there. It literally went, I told people to buy around 14 cents, then it fell down to 10 cents. I got a lot of hate. Well, it's falling down to 10 cents. Why would I buy now? But a lot of you actually bought and made a lot of money. So congratulations to all you out there. So when we do a measured move, all we're going to do is measure from the bottom here to the very top. And it was about a 280% move. I mean, just massive move right there. It's like, whoa, what's going on? So if you want to make one of those kind of moves again, you can check out the description below. Got a private list of the highest probability of coins listing on Coinbase. Right here, it's also on my Twitter. It says, did you miss out on the graph? Massive gains were made from GRT. I mean, literally, a lot of viewers made well over 5K each. So, it says, you may ask, what crypto altcoin has the highest probability of listing? You got to go check out my private list of coins that have the highest probability of listing on Coinbase. Because remember, there's no certainties, only probabilities. So definitely go check the description below for that private list. So if you guys made it this far, what do you guys think about the graph? You think it's going to play out like I said? You think it's going to happen differently? What's going on there? Please let me know down in the comments below, and expect a live stream later today. Things are going nuts. So expect a live stream. Bring your questions. It's always great to hang out with all the homies out there. And of course, have a great rest of your day, morning, afternoon, wherever you're from. Smash that like button, subscribe for more content, because the Crypto Homie will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.